are you? I'm good, thank you. My name is Saiasmi Gupta. I am the co-founder of 10xforthekids.com and today we are going to be solving practice set number 5 of JavaScript. Thanks for Code with Harry for giving us or providing us this practice set. So in today's practice set, we are gonna be learning very three important concepts which people say are the part of modern JavaScript. And if you know about them, you know how to use them, you are like, oh my god, what have you done? Oh my god. But I feel like they are very easy to understand, right? So without any delay, let's get started. So, okay, question number one we have. Create an array of numbers to take input from the user to add numbers to this array. Okay, it's so simple. I just hate about Replit, like it gives suggestions, but actually it's sometimes kind of useful. I mean, I don't have like I don't know what I feel about Replit honestly. So here we have an array. Now we are gonna take input. Right, and what is it? B. So number, yes. And then what was it? Yes. A dot push B. See. It gave us suggestions. I hate it when it gives us suggestions. Come on now. End day. Okay, till it gets loaded. So first we have made an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then B is a random, not random, a number basically which the user gives. And as you guys know, we get it in type string, so we convert it into type number by doing number.parseInt. Then we do a dot push b, in which we are adding the number that the user gave in the array. Remember that whenever we do a dot push b, whenever we use push method, it will always add the number at the end, and then we are basically showing a, right? Yes, finally. For example, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 12 is added, and at the end, right? So question number one is done. Keep adding numbers to the array in question 1 until 0 is added to the array. Ooh, very easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. So we can do b any number we want instead of 0. I'm giving 100. Right, then what we'll do is while we'll put the while loop while b is not equals to 0. What we wanted to do is, okay, please stop giving us suggestions. uh, oh, 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 oh. B. B. Yes. And B. Done. 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 And done. And alert B. I mean A, honestly. Okay, let's give us 12, 32, 12, 43, 56, 87, 95, 1, 2, okay, right, and 0. So we have all these numbers and 0. Now, why did 0 be added? That is because, see, in the beginning, what do we have? We have 100, right? So 100 is not equal to 0. So B's value will be changed to whatever the user gives, and then it will be converted into type integer and added to the array. Now it will happen again and again. And then when we have given 0, right? For example, the last number we had given was 12, and then we have given 0, right? So when we basically, yeah, when we have 12, it basically, when we get 12, it converts it into number and it adds it, and then as right now, 12's value, 12 I mean B's value is 12. 12 is not equal to 0. B equals to prompt enter number, and as we have given 0, and then number dot parse B and A dot push B, right? Then it will check. Now B's value is 0, so 0 is not equal to 0 is false statement. So that's why 0 has been added to the array, right? Filter for numbers to divisible by 10 from a given array. Right. Okay. Yes. Okay. So right now we're gonna use filter. Now one thing I want you to keep in mind is one thing I want you guys all, and I mean all, to keep in mind is, yes, that basically filter and map always return a new array. Don't modify the same thing, but return a new array, right? So we have an array, and let's make some numbers divisible. I'm just putting random numbers right now. Okay, now let B is equals to A dot filter, because we're gonna filter. What are we gonna filter? We are gonna filter the values of A. And this, what was it? Let me see, it's working. Yes, it's working. It's working. Okay. So basically, before I tell you, filter and map, all of them take three values: value, index, and array. Right? So in value, you will get all the values of the array. In index, you will get all the indexes, and in array, you would get the array. For example, we do return a value, comma indexa, comma array. Okay. Oh, sorry, I've written it wrong. Yep, I've written it wrong. One second. Actually, that did not change anything. I'm gonna do console.log. Yes, console.log b. Aha! You see here, it is getting the array, right? And over here, it is getting the index and the value. See? So that is what it is, okay? And then return, okay, now when we have gotten this, we just, yes. And from this, we'll get each value one by one. It will check, it will divide by 10 and see if remainder is 0, it would return that value and show us, right? And what would we get? We would get all these numbers which are divisible by 10. How do we know they are divisible by 10? We know because all the numbers that end from 0, right? Create an array of square of given numbers. That is so easy. What we're gonna do is just modify this because I am too lazy to do that. And then okay, wait. Okay, wait. I have to make this into a very small number. What was the question? Get the square, right? Yeah. So we have got the correct. I don't know what I was looking at. Okay. So map is kind of quite similar, like the filter, and in here what we are doing is as we have what do you mean by square? Basically, as you must all know exponents and powers, basically if you take 2 to the power 2, any number to the power 2, and what the result you get is the square. For example, 2 to the power 2, what do you get? 4. That's the square, right? So we're doing value into value, right? Because 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 into 2, right? So value into value. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 30 into 30. As you can see, 3 into 3, 9. And then we put both zeros, so 900. 3 into 3 is 9. 4 into 4 is 16, and then 0 and 0, 1600, right? And 5 into 5 is 25, and 2 zeros, so 2500. Like that, we have got our answer. Last question. Use reduce to calculate the factorial of a given number from any array of first n natural numbers, n being the number whose factorial needs to be calculated. So easy, like so easy. Okay, let me do some simple numbers. Oh. Yes, answer is 24. Now you might be thinking, as you have given value and then value 1 should get the index and it should be multiplied by the index. But no, in reduce, we don't have value, index and array. In reduce, basically value and value 1 means that a value will get 1 and value 1 will get 2 in the beginning. 1 into 2, 2, right? Then value will be equals to 2 and value 1 will be equals to 3. So 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Now 6, the result that we had got, uh, the result that we get is gonna be the value of value, right? And the next number is gonna be the value of value 1, right? So 6 into 4 is 24, the answer that we have gotten. And just like that, guys, we have completed JavaScript practice set number 5. Thank you so much, Code with Harry, for giving us these practice set questions. And just like that, I really hope you liked my video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe my video if you have not already. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Bye guys.